Hello again, everyone. It's Vince from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for May 22nd, 2024. Now, I'm recording this video about an hour before, about 40 minutes before the close here. I've been having internet issues after our chat this afternoon, so I'm just taking advantage of the connection while I have it now, and just want to do a quick recap. So, when we spoke this morning, the markets were very flat. We were wondering why the implied vol was high on the S&P strangle that we normally look at. Well, now we know it was the Fed minutes, and there was news out from the Fed. It looks like common theme here. They were disappointed with the inflation data in Q1. They discuss holding rates higher for longer. Some officials think long run rates need to be higher. So, bottom line, the message out here is higher for longer. Even David Solomon, CEO of Goldman Sachs, and let's see how Goldman Sachs is doing here. Yeah, it's reversed as well. Goldman Sachs now down almost 10 points or 2%. David Solomon said he expects no rate cuts in 2024. So that's where we're at, and that's why the market went from being flat to the Dow here being down 270 points right now. The S&P is down 30. I believe it was down 4 when we spoke this morning, and the Nasdaq is now down 80, while the Russell down 22. So it's been a pretty significant reversal here, and it's been pretty much across the board. The crude oil down a $1.35 or 1.7%. Gold down 43, almost 44 points on that news, mostly due to the strength in the dollar, which is now nearing once again at 105. It's 104.96. So yeah, we've seen quite the turn and quite the change and pickup in volume after those Fed minutes. Now, NVDA does come out with earnings in about, I don't know, market close in 40 minutes, potentially shortly thereafter, and we'll see. So right now, I think it's in a way a little confusing, and I say that only because I think everyone was already expecting higher for longer. Were they expecting the Fed for some Fed officials to say that they think long run rates need to be higher? No, I think that was a bit of a shock. So now there's a little more uncertainty around rates. But when you look at the Dow here, this still has the potential on the daily chart to be a double top. The S&P and the Nasdaq did break those highs, but barely. I mean, you can still call this potential double top if it happens. A little less here on the Nasdaq, but the Russell hasn't even gotten there yet. So this does have the potential to follow through here. So let's keep an eye on it. But again, first up, NVIDIA. Probably in less than an hour we'll know, and then we'll go from there.